Hello teachers. Today we will see how you can teach accounts online very effectively. First, create an Excel sheet. For example, we will see how to teach final accounts online with the help of Excel. Select rows and columns as per your sum. Select the area and go to Home, then go to Border and choose Thick Outside Border. You can give border to every row, in same way. We can expand the width of columns as per our need, such as we need extra space in particulars column. Here, we will give border to the top row. For writing, company's name and account's name, we will select 6 columns, above top column, and we will select Merge and Center. Here is one tip, you can use font which mimics like a handwriting, such as Cavallini. Once you are done with making the format, now you can start typing in column, like particulars, amounts, companies and account's name. Now select the whole format of trading account. Copy it by pressing Ctrl/Command and C, and paste below, trading account by pressing Ctrl/Command and V. After copying, change the name of account, from trading account to profit and loss account. You can make the format of balance sheet by copying profit and loss account or trading account, and by changing the name of account to balance sheet. Adjust the width of columns as per your need, and try to keep all account on one page, so that you don't have to change page or scroll down or up to go to another account. Below balance sheet, you can make working notes, copy any format, and make require changes in format, as per your sum, and you are good to go. Now, you have every account you require to solve a final account sum, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet and working note. Now here the magic happens, go to View and uncheck Guidelines. Now you will have a plain sheet without lines, where you can solve and explain the sum. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you and solved your problem. If it did, make sure to like, comment and share this video with your colleagues. And subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.